Thank you.
I can't wait to get home to eat. I hope this pasta is as good as that last one. Thank you. Oh, that chicken smells good or pasta. I don't know. Something smelling real delicious. I'm already on the wings is busting. I had big wings before. That's cool. It's hot. Almost burnt my face off. The chicken nice and crispy. The bread is nice and buttery. The chicken better than Popeyes, I'm sorry. They got that spiciness, crispy texture. Now I want to lay down. So fresh. The pasta also.
Kick.